Hey guys, what's you up to? Today is, I'm going to call these perfect pitch potato chips. And one of my friends on Facebook, I saw she got a mandolin like this. And I'm going to post this on my channel and show people how to make super good quick potato chips in a microwave. And I got this potato partially, we'll wash it off, I get a partially sliced, and slicing it. Now you want to be careful with these mandolins, they're super sharp, so when you get down a little low, you don't feel comfortable, use this attachment here so you don't end up cutting your hand. There we go. And all you got to do for this, now it says input 1550 watt microwave, output 1000 watts. So I think I got a 1000 watt microwave. Just a little spray of oil on there. Then you lay these chips out. This is a ceramic plate. I haven't tried any other kind of plate. And just lay these suckers out like so. And and try not to let them overlap because it'll stick like a sucker. They're still going to stick, but let's see. Get a few more on there. That's good. Well, I can throw some of these little ones up here in these crap. That won't hurt nothing. And maybe I'll get them all on. What the hell? There we go. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to put this in the microwave for 333. That's what I'm going to do, 333. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes and 33 seconds on one side. Now I'm going to spray this side. You can use any kind of oil you want. And now we're going to flip these over. See how they stick? That's okay. Just get them all. Get them all flipped over. They're a little hot. And this plate, the second time around, is going to be really hot. You might want to use some gloves to handle the plate. So get these all flipped over. And then we're going to go 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Now after your plate gets hot after this first round, you can go 3 minutes and then 2 minutes. And so now I'm going to put this in for 2 minutes and 22 seconds and we'll be back again. Well, actually I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. You can use any spices you want and some pepper. So I'm just going to, these chips will be healthier because you can put whatever you want on them. You don't have to use salt. You can make salt-free chips. Perfect pitch chips. So I like a lot of pepper. Okay, there we go. That's good. Now I'll be right back after 2 minutes and 22 seconds. Okay, it's been 2 minutes and 22 seconds on this side. And look at these. Perfectly golden brown. Now you want to take them and slide them off into a bowl. Because after they air cool, they get a little crispier. And there we go. Now this plate is really hot. It'll only take 3 minutes and 2 minutes if you make another batch. But check this out. Look at that. Nice, perfect chip. Crispy as heck. As it dries a little bit, if it cools down, it'll get more crispy. But awesome. Healthy chip, quick and easy. There you go. That's how you do it. Perfect pitch potato chips. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Well, thank you for watching my video to the end. Well, since you did, I'd like to ask you to subscribe, like, and share if you like this video. You never know what's going to be happening next, so stay tuned. Check back with me and see what's going on. I'll try to post a video once or twice a week to see what he's up to now. All right. Have a great day. Thank you very much.